Chris Denham, and I live in Danville, Kentucky. I'd been having some issues with my gutters. We've got 3 large maple trees on the other side of my backyard. They're about 40, 50 feet tall, and they drop those little helicopter blades, and they come down and they clog up my gutters. I've been having to clean my gutters about at least once every 2 weeks, and I'm at the age now I don't really want to be up on a ladder every 2 weeks, so I started looking into ways to solve my problem, and looked into several different places, and kind of saw LeafFilter. I liked what they had, and then they sent me something in the mail where they had some promos going on. So I went ahead and set up an appointment, and Marshall was my salesman. He came to the house. We sat around and we talked. He gave me a little presentation and answered some questions I had. I had a couple issues in particular. I had a place in my gutter where it was kind of dipping and was actually right behind my back door. I'd go out my back door and rain would just fall on my head. So he actually made notes of that, and they did, when they came out and did the installation, they did fix that issue. They put extra brackets on it, leveled the thing out, and to where water would run smoothly, and so it all worked out well. But Marshall was real helpful, and then when they came out to install the gutters, the guy was really good. It didn't take him long. He was here less than an hour, and got all the gutters installed. I don't have a huge house, but he was very efficient, got it all done. I pointed out the issues that I had told Marshall about, and he said he knew of that issue, and he did fix it, and haven't had that issue anymore, so I was very happy with that part of it. Since it's been done, I've had no issues. My gutters are flowing good, the water's going down, and I haven't had to clean my gutters since they installed the LeafFilter product, and I've been very happy with it. I have a friend, Marty, and told him about it, and Marshall got in touch with him, and Marty got them installed, and I actually got a little extra bonus for referring Marty, and it's been really good. I also really like they have a lifetime warranty on it, so I like the idea of that, and that it's a simple warranty. Basically, if your gutters clog up, they'll replace them or give your money back. So I like the warranty. It's also transferable, so it adds value to my house, and so I had a good experience with LeafFilter, and so far, I mean, I had them installed in the end of September. It's now January, and I haven't had any issues, and really happy with them, and I would recommend them to anyone else who's having issues with their gutters.